Hi, I'm Melissa Zimko. I'm one of the adult services librarians here at Clearwater East Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make Easter egg cactuses. If you registered for the Cactus Craft at myclearwaterlibrary.com, don't forget to stop by the Clearwater East Community Library and pick up your Take and Make kit. Today for your Cactus Craft, you will need the following supplies. Plastic Easter eggs, miniature terracotta pots, small rocks or pebbles, gesso primer, acrylic paint, paintbrushes, wooden skewers, an ultra fine point Sharpie, scissors, tissue paper, a hot glue gun, and glue sticks. And this is your supply list for your Cactus Craft. Let's get started. So first what you want to do is take one of your plastic Easter eggs and you're going to insert the skewer in the bottom of the Easter egg. And this is going to make it easier for you to paint. So then once you have your Easter egg on your skewer, you want to take the gesso primer and you're going to prime your Easter egg. So you just take this and you can either take a tray or a plate, and you just want to put some out there, and then you're going to take it and then just start primering it. And then once you've primered your Easter egg, you're going to put it somewhere where it can dry up straight. So I think each kit it has 2 included, so you just want to take each Easter egg and primer it. If you're taking the Take and Make Craft, all of the Easter eggs are actually going to be primered already. So it'll look like this, but when you look up close, you can tell it's already primered. So if you're taking the Take and Make Craft, it's going to be primered already, so you won't have to worry about that. The next step you want to do is take our acrylic paints, which are not provided in the Take and Make Craft. So you can get any of these for like $1 a piece at Michael's. It's just different acrylic paints, whatever color you want your cactus to be. I would suggest aqua and green because those are the most cactus-like colors. So you're just going to take that, and again, you just want to put it out on your plate or whatever paint supply tray you have, and you just want to take the wooden skewer. It should already be inserted when it was drying, but you would just want to take the wooden skewer and then you're just going to paint your egg. So you usually just want to do 1 to 2 coats of this. You don't need a lot. You just want to make sure it's even. So you're just going to keep painting your egg until all of the white is gone. And the reason why we use a skewer is it's just easier to paint the egg and make sure you don't get it all over your hands. So you just want to make sure that you get an even coat, and then you want to let it dry. So if you're primering on your own, if you're doing another set, like after the Take and Make, you just want to make sure that the primer dries in between. So then you're just going to take your egg, once it's all painted, and you just want to put it back and let it dry. Then once you have your dried Easter egg, it's just going to be plain, but what you want to do is take your fine-tipped Sharpie and you're going to draw a cactus design. So you just want to make sure your acrylic paint is dry and you're going to draw the cactus design. So you can do little X's, or you can do lines like this one, or you can do little, it almost looks like little Y's, so you can do different designs, and then that will go in your pot. So once you have your Easter egg primered and painted and you have the design with the Sharpie, you're going to take your pot. So what you want to do is take your mini terracotta pot and your pebbles, and you're going to fill the pot up. So you just want to get it all the way to the top here. And then once you have your pot, you're going to take your painted Easter egg and you're going to take your glue gun and you just want to put a little glue and you're going to glue the Easter egg. So then once you have the Easter egg glued, for extra security, you can also glue more pebbles around the base of the egg if you want it to be a little more steady. But otherwise, you're just going to finish your cactus off with some tissue paper, squares, so you can either, in the Take and Make Craft, it should have been provided for you, but you just want to crumple it up. And then you're going to just glue it on, and it will sit like that. So once you have your Easter egg glued, it's going to look like this. If you want to do a double, it's really easy. So what you're going to do is just glue the eggs on first, and then you're going to take your tissue paper and crumple it up and glue it around. And that is your Easter egg craft. For more crafting ideas with plants, check out Plant Craft by Atkinson, now available at the Clearwater East Community Library for checkout.